Welcome to another speed sculpt. This is just another practice sculpt that I did quite a while ago and might as well make a video out of it in case it proves to be useful. I don't know. I'm still learning all the tools myself, so this is really just so I can look back on it and see how much I've improved over time. In fact, this was made a few months ago, so already it is a little bit older, but I decided to upload it because I need to have some kind of content on this channel, so I've just been practicing faces every now and then, probably because we tend to draw those more than anything else. I tend to draw a face rather than a full figure, so full figures obviously is going to be harder for me to just sculpt out of the blue, unless I actually, commit to practicing it, which haven't really done that much yet, but maybe someday we will. So this was a speed sculpt that I did in an hour and 45 minutes. I did try to do it in under an hour, but I wanted to make sure I had all the elements like the hair, the eyes, and all those things. So even if those aren't perfect, at least they are present, and that was basically the goal. So it wasn't a super long sculpt, and again, just a quick practice. I feel like I need to start learning new things though. I need to start figuring out how to texture stuff and that kind of thing. I still haven't quite learned those yet. But the sculpting part is fun, even though I can't exactly finish them. But I hope you enjoy this sculpt. I know it's not perfect and it was an older practice, but like I said, I am just uploading this for the sake of some content on this channel. And maybe if you see you like the way I'm doing something, which I would be very surprised because I'm just making this up as I go, well then all the better. Really it's just for me, so I can look back on it and see how I did things and what I did and just document my art. It's basically the whole point of this channel. Anyway, enjoy the rest of this time-lapse and watch me struggle a lot with the hair and end up with a face that looks a little bit creepy, not gonna lie. But it is enjoyable, even if it doesn't turn out quite right. I hope to see you again sometime.